school born before 4 years earlier to me. And I feel really proud to head this school, and the alumni, they speak volumes about this Vidyalaya, and it's one of the important school in India. Produced plenty of people from here. Full thing of this Vidyalaya, whereas I could see people coming in every time. Some of the other few days back when Madam came, she came to IIT for some purpose, and she entered into that. I am 93 batch like. And she's doing some IT work from every quarter. Really, we are grateful on behalf of students. I sincerely thank each and every one of you to be here for this small function. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Really, we feel honored.
I just want to say a few words on behalf of my sister Mehrunissa. Mehrunissa is from the batch of 1979 and studied from class 1 to class 11. And she was an exceptional athlete. You can see her name on the leaderboard in the lobby there. And she was a very good sportswoman. She played basketball for the school. She played for the sub-regionals, then the regionals, then the nationals. And she was a part of the KVIIT Sangathan national team. And then she went on to play for the Indian team. She represented India in the Asian Basketball Championships. So 1983 she played for the Indian team in Bangkok, in Thailand, and then in 1986 she went to Japan to play with the Indian team. Since then she has been with the Southern Railways, and she played for the Railways for many years. She has been to almost every state and every city in India playing basketball. She has always been an inspiration for all the young girls and for all her peers. And she is here today. I am very proud that she inaugurated the basketball court after the renovation. And thank you all very much. Thank you.
Cynthia. I am not a very good speaker, but still I would like to say that playing games or playing sports, I wish all of you to play. It's just not only as a game, it's for your good health and well-being. Thank you all.
I want to thank Principal Sir and Balaji Sir, without whose help and assistance this wouldn't be possible. We have had many heated discussions also during the work, but they contributed in a very beautiful way. For example, that cap, right? I didn't know we had to paint it inside also. Balaji insisted, you remove it, paint it inside. So they were very helpful in showing us the way. I want to thank all seniors. She may not remember me, but I remember her game. I think she played for this thing, no? MCC or Queen Maris. I want to thank Makka, Rana, all those guys we looked up to when we started playing basketball. Thank you all.
Good try.
You ask anybody there.
Yeah,